Can I recreate Joe Satriani's Super Colossal tone using the Fender Tone Master Pro?
I don't believe you.
Now let me show you how I created this preset. The first part of the chain are a pair of diatonic pitch shifters into an EVH 5153S 6L6 blue amp, DVH cab with an SM57 using the cap edge, into a digital delay, and finally into the small hall reverb. So this is the tone without the effects. So now I'm going to add one of the pitch shifters. This is set to an octave above. And then if I set the other pitch shifter, which is an octave below, and I'm running these in parallel, that's pretty much the majority of the tone right there, but we can do one better. Add a digital delay. Got a time of 500 milliseconds. And then I just decided to add a little bit of reverb on top of that. I should mention that I have the high cut set to 8.2 kilohertz, the low cut set to 125 hertz. The mic is on axis. There is a section where only one pitch shift is used and then it kicks back into both of them. So there you have it, Joe Satriani's Super Colossal tone using the Fender Tone Master Pro. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing and check out more of my Tone Master Pro videos.